Right, what we have here, we have some aloe vera, cactus leaf, bitter melon, some say Karila, and we're going to use some cerasee. We're going to boil some cerasee leaf, make that cool down, and use the water from the cerasee, and we make our detox with that. Okay, so this is it. This is finished now. This is ready to drink. So this will help with all your colon system. This flush out all mucus. This help with cold and flu. So this is one of the other thing that we use on a regular, not every day, not this one. We don't use it every day, but on a regular basis, probably 2 to 3 days throughout the week. Yep.